FUTEC brings a globally unique microwave technology that fundamentally changes the approach to repairing potholes in asphalt roads.
The unique setup with the FUTEC microwave oven is used for quick repairs of potholes in asphalt roads. It allows for repairs year-round using warm package mixtures. Compared to conventional technologies, it can significantly save time and ensure a quality repair of the roadway. The equipment includes everything needed for repairs within a single cart assembly, including a special asphalt mixture for microwave heating. One person can handle the operation.
Do you have the guts for it? You actually only need one behind the car.
The machine setup with the FF-9 microwave oven allows cities and municipalities to quickly and economically repair asphalt surfaces of Class 2 and 3 roads.
It's simple. Everything you need to repair a pothole is part of this cart.
The setup consists of a standalone microwave oven, a storage compartment for a sufficient amount of bags with the special mixture, a power generator, and a mini crane for easy handling of the working unit. We can easily transport the microwave oven along with the necessary materials to the site. Once the work area is set up with traffic signs, the repair of the damaged pothole can begin immediately. The whole process is really quick. The package with the prepared mixture is heated in the oven in less than 10 minutes. The temperature of the mixture can be checked with a handheld thermometer. Ideally, it should be around 60 degrees.
While we carefully and efficiently heat the asphalt mixture, we won't waste any time and will meticulously...
We evenly fill the cleaned pothole with the heated mixture. We spread the mixture with a rake and level the area with a compactor. We consider the repair complete when the surface temperature drops below 40 degrees C. Do you find the operation of the device complicated? You don't have to worry, you can find the video with the work process under this QR code.
It is really very important for us to have a year-round solution for repairing individual potholes on all types of roads.
For everyone who is not satisfied with the condition of the roads and streets in their area, we have developed this unique technology with which we already have plenty of experience.
We understand that there is less money allocated for this type of repairs, but there is still a lot of pressure to get them fixed quickly. That's exactly what our setup is for. It's up to all of us to find suitable potholes for repair with this unique technology. We'll take care of the rest.
If you're interested, you can find out more on our website.